Hello, in this video I am going to cover how to compile and run C code in the Sublime text editor. So obviously this assumes that you've got the Sublime text editor, and if not, you can just go ahead and Google it. Just Google Sublime text, just go to sublimetext.com, go to install for Linux. So this is for Linux, by the way, and just use one of these methods. You can use apt, pacman. I recommend pacman. You just copy that, launch up terminal, paste it, click enter, accept anything that it asks you, then paste this command, and then it'll be in your application. You can update and pacman install Sublime using this, and then it will be over here like it is for me. Okay, so now what we're going to do is actually show you how to run the code. Really simple. And if you go to Tools, Build System, C Single File, and now you want to go to Tools, you can do Build, but if you do Build with, it gives you the option to run it as well, which is what we want. So click that, C Single File, Run, and there we go. It's running. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The one little extra thing that I want to show you is a custom build system. The reason you might want that is if you use newer features from the C programming language, for example from the C17 spec, it won't work on here. So you will need a custom build system, which I'll show you how to do. So if you go to the description, you will have this little bit of code. Like I said, it'll be for you in the in the description. You want to go to Tools, Build System, New Build System, and select everything that's there, delete it, paste what we just put in here. So this will configure the C17 build system. If a newer one comes out, feel free to change that to like C19, C20 potentially. Press Ctrl S. You want to keep the .sublime-build extension, but the rest of it, the start, you can rename whatever you want. I'm going to say C17 so it's obvious what it is. Click Save. We can close that now. And to build it with this, you go to Tools, Build System, C17, and to build it and run it, build with, run. Okay, so in this case, because I haven't updated my operating system, or I haven't updated my C on here, my GCC, to support C17, you would need to do, C11 or whatever it is. That's fine. Obviously, if you've updated and you need to use a newer version, that's, the scenario that we're talking about. So if I paste that here and I put, C11 again, and I've put C11, I've accidentally clicked enter. Okay, so if I close this down, go to Tools. Obviously, you could use C17 if you had updated your system, so it had C17. Mine at the moment doesn't, but no biggie. And build with. There we go. So that is how you configure Sublime text so you can compile C files. If you have any questions, feel free to join the Discord group. There's usually 200-300 members active at any given time. There's a bunch of programming channels in there. There's over 3,600 members as a part of that entire group. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.